as it is mentioned in the icon also, that we are going to start poem 4. What was the title? A Thing of Beauty. Very nice. A Thing of Beauty, that is poem 4. Write down 21st. Poem 4. A Thing of Beauty. Who is the poet? John Keats. He is a nature-loving poet, and he has praised about the nature in this small poem. Naturally, a thing of beauty, what's the title is there. What are the things of beauty according to we? We feel happy, we want to be relaxed, we want some change from our hectic life, and we just divert towards those things and they become the thing of beauty. For example, we are very much busy in our daily schedule. During summers also, students, so many families, businessmen, where they are going to the hills. Why? Just to bring the change, to refresh themselves. At that time, that nature beauty, it is a thing of beauty. Suppose I go to Shimla one time, second time, third time, again, we are making the program there. But that means I'm not feeling bored, but I want to enjoy the nature there. I want some change from my daily schedule. The poet, he says in the opening lines in this poem, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. We agree with this? Okay? A thing of beauty is a joy forever. If we are not talking about the nature, suppose there is a thing of beauty, the moon, the sun, plants, animals, flowers, rivers, mountains. The poet, they are writing so much. They are fascinated, attracted by these things. That is a thing of beauty for them. Sometimes what happens, suppose we are very upset, very sad due to some reason, and we just listen the same song, our favorite song. We will take the favorite book. We will see our favorite movie. So many times we have already seen, so many times we have already heard. But even then, we will prefer to take that, to pick that, just to change our mood. That poem, that song, that movie, what it becomes? A thing of beauty. And its joy never decreases, it never reduces, it is increasing day by day. How many times we are reading, we are listening, then we are enjoying it more and more. We don't feel bored. The same thing is mentioned by the poet in a small poem. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. This is the opening line of the poem. It never decreases. Then in the first paragraph, what he mentions about the benefits of a thing of beauty. Now, which the things of beauty which we have mentioned just now, because of this, we get peace of mind. When we are having the peace of mind, we relax, we will be having sound sleep. If there are the sound sleep, very good dreams are there. We feel fresh in the morning. We forget the thing what has happened a day before. So its beauty never decreases. It will not go useless. It will not lose its value. It will increase. So these are the benefits. That is in the first paragraph. So we will start with the lines. Write down. Lines 1 to 5. A thing of beauty. Fifth line is quiet breathing. Quiet breathing. See these lines. Lines 1 to 5. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness, its beauty increases, it will never pass into, turn into. It will never turn into nothingness. Nothingness, useless, having no value. It will increasing and it will not pass into, it will not turn into useless, but will keep a bower. What is bower? A shady enclosure. Shady enclosure, we see in the deserts in SS, we are just listening in the geography also, oases. What is oasis in the deserts? Where some water and plant is there. Otherwise, in the deserts, we are just walking, and that is now the oasis. What is that? Shady enclosure. Okay, it is just a shady enclosure. How the thing of beauty is a shady enclosure? So many sufferings are there, troubles are there, disappointments are there in life. Agar if only those things will be there, how we will survive? We can't survive. So in this way, a thing of beauty, as I have given you the example earlier also, we are upset, we just take our favorite book or novel and read, and we change our mood. Or we are upset, we are at night, morning, early morning, I went out, I saw the weather is very good. Okay, very cold breeze is blowing, and I'll change my mood. Suppose my little lawn is there and very beautiful flower it is blooming. What I'll see, how beautiful. I'll forget about what has happened. Or 1 second before, what was my mood? I changed that. So in this way, it is a bower. Bower means shady enclosure. Write down. Bower means shady enclosure. A bower quiet for us, and a sleep full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. Quiet breathing, soothing breathe. In this way, when we will get a sound sleep, then we are having the soothing breathe. We are fit and fine. We will be very much happy, very energetic for the next day's work. Read out lines 1 to 5. If any point is not clear, ask to me. Write one question with the opening line of the paragraph of the poem. Write in commas. First line, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Comma close, full stop. How? Yes, as per the inquiry of one student. The fourth line is, a bower quiet for us. Bower, a thing of beauty is just a shady enclosure for us. When we are walking, we are exhausted, we are tired, and then there is one tree. We will stand, we will sit for some time under that tree. What will be that tree? A shady enclosure. In the same manner, we are very depressed, very unhappy. So many sufferings are there. And then a thing of beauty that will become a shady tree for us. Okay, that is a shady, a bower quiet for us. This is the fourth line. Now write the question answer. A thing of beauty is a constant source of joy. A thing of beauty is a constant source of joy. It never decreases. It never decreases. Rather, its beauty always increases. It never decreases. Rather, its beauty always increases. That is why a thing of beauty is a joy forever. One more question from line 1 to 5. What do you mean by a bower? Now you were asking about the fourth line. What do you mean by a bower? Bower in commas. Place. A bower is a pleasant place in the shade of a tree. Pleasant place in the shade of a tree. Last question. What are the benefits of beautiful things for us? What are the benefits of beautiful things for us? A thing of beauty, answer is, a thing of beauty gives us sound sleep. A thing of beauty gives us sound sleep, full of sweet dreams, full of sweet dreams. It keeps us healthy. It keeps us healthy physically as well as mentally. Physically as well as mentally. We can breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. We can breathe easily under the influence of a beautiful thing. Under the influence of a beautiful thing. We can write the answer of 30 to 40 words. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Okay, we can write lines 1 to 5. If lines 1 to 5 is clear, so we can write the answers. Mostly this question comes in the board and it is of 3 marks. First, we will tell about the thing of beauty and then how it is increasing, never diminishes. Okay, it will not go into nothingness, it will not be useless. Then how the benefits of this, it will become the answer of 3 marks. Lines 1 to 5 is clear. Now next, line 6 to 13. 6 to 13. As I told you earlier, what is mentioned in line 6 to 13? Because of lines 1 to 5, the poet, what he says, every morning when we get up, we bind ourselves with the earth. Earth means with the nature. We bind ourselves every morning because of lot of sufferings are there, troubles are there. But even then, we bind ourselves with the earth and we just weave a flowery band, garland. Which one? Happiness, sorrow, sukh, dukh, raat, din, like this. ये तो नहीं कि सिर्फ हैप्पीनेस ही है, ये नहीं कि हमेशा सॉरोज ही है, ये नहीं सारी रात ही है, दिन निकलेगा ही नहीं, like this. Okay, so we are binding ourselves with the tie, we are tying ourselves with the earth, with the nature. Then he says, the poet, he says, so many things are there which gives us troubles and the sufferings. What are those? Despondence, disappointments, lack of noble nature, inhumanness, inhuman cruelty, rudeness is there. Lack of noble, हम कहते हैं ना इंसानियत तो खत्म ही होगी आजकल. That is lack of noble nature in humans. Over darkened ways, the ill ways which we have searched ourselves for our own requirements, for our own nature. Over darkened ways, ill ways. What are the ill ways? Smuggling is there, robbery is there, thievery is there, and we do any other work which gives us tension, as we see in the Hindi movies also. Very luxurious life the people are enjoying, but with the one horn of police, how the people are hiding under the holes. Yes. And what is the end of such people? Those who are very luxurious, where they are enjoying their life, but what is the end? They are just shot by the police. That these are, the people are not happy. We are just seeing the movie and we see that how किसी चीज की कमी नहीं है, कहाँ रह रहे हैं, but their life is, that is always tensed. They are having the threatening, the fear of the death also because of the police. They may not be caught. And if they want to leave that thing, leave that, but they are helpless. Their family member will be caught. उसको पकड़ लिया जाएगा, इसको मारा जाएगा ये, and because the sake of their sister, their mother, their daughter, they have to do their work. They will not come out from that trap in which they are being caught. And that is the way that we have chosen for ourselves. Poverty may be the reason. For the sake of family, we may indulge ourselves in such gangs. आपकी फैमिली को 1 लाख रुपया महीने का दे दिया जाएगा, ये दे दिया जाएगा, वो you just come to her to you give these parcels to there and here and there, and you will get the money. He is involved in that, but he couldn't come out. So these are the over darkened ways. And he said, because of all these things, the beautiful thing, a thing of beauty, that is a pall. Pall means covering. कफन सा होता है ना, that is a pall over our life. हमारे ऊपर ये क्या है? We are tensed, we are suffering, we are in troubles, but a thing of beauty, that is a pall over us, and they are covering us. They are defending us. They are changing our mood. We are able to do the things which are good for us. That are the energetic things are there, which are the beautiful things. Okay, and it is mentioned in 6 to 13 why we are binding ourselves every morning with the thing of beauty, with the nature, with the earth, and we are just weaving, wreathing a flowery band, the garland of the flowers. And then the things which are giving us troubles and the sufferings. See your book now. Therefore, on every morrow, morning. Therefore, on every morrow, we are wreathing, weaving, bunna, banana. We are wreathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth, to tie ourselves with the earth, usse bandhna. Spite means in spite of, okay? Spite of despondence, disappointment. Spite of despondence of the inhuman rudeness, cruelty, cruel nature. Dearth means lack of. Dearth of noble nature, lack of good nature, lack of noble natures of the gloomy days, gloomy, darkened days. Dukh bare din, darkened days of the gloomy days of all the unhealthy and over darkened ways. Unhealthy and over darkened ways. Unhealthy, we become tensed. Over darkened ways, ill ways, which we have just mentioned. Okay, these are the things. Over darkened ways, the evil ways made for our searching, which we have searched for our own sake. अपनी मर्जी से, हमें किसी ने बोला नहीं है, अपनी मर्जी से. We have searched those over darkened ways, those ill ways of our own choice, of our own. Searching, yes, in spite of all these things which gives us sufferings and the troubles. Some shape of beauty moves away the pall covering. Some shape of beauty, there are beautiful things which move away the covering, the pall from our dark spirits. Dark spirit, sad hearts. ठीक है, हम अंदर से जो उदास हैं, they are just covering that thing and they free us from these things which are mentioned, which are giving us sufferings and the troubles. Write one question. 30 to 40 words का है. List the things, paragraph 6 to 13. List the things that cause suffering and pain. List the things that cause suffering and pain. Despondence, write in bracket, disappointment. Despondence, dearth of noble natures, Question is, list the things that cause suffering and pain. That cause suffering and pain. Despondence, dearth of noble nature, dearth, lack of noble nature. Dearth means lack, devoid. Gloomy days, comma, over darkened, with my pause you put the comma, over darkened, write in bracket, unhealthy and evil. Over darkened ways, unhealthy and evil. Evil. Full stop. These things, over darkened ways, write in bracket, unhealthy and evil ways. Which one, bacha? After? Ways. Over darkened ways, evil ways. Unhealthy and evil ways. These things spread a pall of gloom. These things spread a pall of gloom. These things spread a pall of gloom over our lives. Over our lives. These things spread a pall of gloom over our lives. Last question. This was of 2 or 3 marks, 1 mark extract. How does beauty help our dark spirits? How does beauty help our dark spirits? The last line of the paragraph, dark spirits. Answer is, when we are unhappy, or depressed, when we are unhappy or depressed, some object of beauty helps us. Some object of beauty helps us. It comes to our mind. It comes to our mind and removes the pall of gloom. It comes to our mind and removes the pall of gloom from our dark spirits. From our dark spirits. And we feel cheerful. And we feel cheerful. (13 to 19). Lines 13 to 19. Now, line 6 to 13, what we have done, the things which give us sufferings and sorrows. Okay? And the last line 13, where we are ending, that in spite of all these things, there is a thing of beauty which removes away the pall from our lives. So what are those things? They are mentioned in lines 13 to 19, right? Which are those lines? First, we will see the paragraph, the sun, the moon, the plants, the rivers, which we have mentioned earlier also. That is mentioned in lines 13 to 19. See the lines. Such the sun, such as. See the last line. Away, in spite, some shape of beauty moves away the pall. Which shape of beauty? Such as. That is line 13. Such as the sun, the moon, trees old and young, sprouting a shady boon. Sprouting, providing a shady boon. That is, a boon mean blessing for the innocent, for the simple sheep, for the innocent sheep. Sheep, they are grazing in the sun. Open fields are there. Okay, and so much hot is there. So when they stand, they take some rest in a one group. They are just under a shade of a tree. That tree becomes a blessing for them. That is why it is written, trees old and young, sprouting a shady boon. Boon mean that is a blessing for them. They are yes. Why boon is shady? अगर shady ना हो तो वो बेन बन जाए. What is bane? Curse, abhishap. क्या है? Suppose we are, instead of the sheep, we are going in the open field. No tree is there. Okay? And it started raining. Very heavy. Where we should go? उसी एरिया में भागते रहेंगे. कहाँ खड़े होंगे? कहाँ नीचे खड़े होंगे? दूर कहीं जाके एक पेड़ होगा, उसके नीचे खड़े हो जाएंगे. That tree, it will become a boon for us. Oh God, 2 मिनट हम ऐसे बोलेंगे. शुक्र है. Oh God. Oh God, shukar hai. That means we feel happy to have that tree in that lonely place, and that become a boon. अगर वो भी ना मिलता, भीग जाते सारे सब कुछ, ठीक है, then it will become a bane. कोई कर्स बन जाती रेन, अभिशाप बन जाती हमारे लिए. We become ill. Okay. So in this way, a thing of beauty, it becomes a boon for us. In the same manner, the trees old and young, they become a boon for the innocent sheep, for the simple sheep, because they are grazing openly in a large groups in the open fields. See the line, for simple sheep, and such are daffodils. Daffodils, what are daffodils? Flowers. Okay, daffodils, they are flowers, beautiful flowers, daffodils, with the green world, forest, green world forest they live in. The daffodils which grow in the forest, green world, and they are also a thing of beauty. They live in. And clear rills, small streams. Okay, small river, small stream, the rills. Clear rills mean the sun rays, they are falling very clear on it, and the water is very clear. It's very clear, and the clear rills, that is also a source of beauty. And suppose the same example we are giving, we are in the forest or we are in the fields, we are going from one place to another. Don't compare when such type of the things are written, and they are the people, they are in the mind of the poet is that the very lonely, that some remote villages are there. They have to go by foot, not by the cars and the scooters, and the other facilities are there like in our cities, and they are just moving and moving. And on the way, when there are some streams are there, small rivers are there, and they can take the water, they can sit for some time on the bank of that stream just to relax themselves. That become a thing of beauty for them. That become a thing of beauty. So in the same manner, with the green world they live in, and clear rills, that for themselves a cooling covert make. Cooling covert, shelter. Cooling covert make. How the rills, they are making the cooling covert for themselves? You might have seen very small streams are there. Sometimes on both the side, very thick bushes are there, and these bushes, they are coming like that, and they become the roof. Okay, ऊपर से roof बन जाती हैं. They are so thick, and they made the roof. And what that roof is there, they protect the rills from the heat of the sun, from the brightness of the sun. So this line is that clear rills that for themselves a cooling covert make. They make for themselves a shady enclosure. How? With the thick bushes which are growing on the both the sides of the river, on the both the sides of the stream, against the hot season, against the hot sun. The mid forest break. What is break? Thickets. हम कहते हैं ना बड़ा घना जंगल है. घना mean thickets, thickness of the forest, thickets. And mid forest break, rich with sprinkling, scattering. And in the middle of the thickets of the forest, there are spreading so many you can say what are there? Musk roses. They are blooming, they are blossoming, they are flowering. Musk roses, wild roses. Suppose I am a hunter, I am in the forest from the last 10, 15 days. I am living there, small bushes are there, wild grass is there, nothing, no life is here. Then in the search of the animal, I go forward, forward. Next, what I saw, the whole passage, it is just beautiful, so beautiful, wild roses are there. I just forget my tiredness for a second and I'll just see the beauty of the nature. Oh, it's jungle mein, aise jungle mein, itne beautiful flowers. They are the musk roses, they are the wild roses. At that time, the musk roses, it becomes a thing of beauty. Sprinkling of your musk roses bloom. So in this paragraph 13 to 19, the poet has mentioned the things which are a thing of beauty. What is in 6 to 13? What is in 6 to 13? The things which give us pain, suffering, sorrows, troubles. Okay. What is in line 1 to 5? The benefits of a thing of beauty and how a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Up to this point, the poem is clear. Only one question you will write from this poem, from these lines. Hanji. Cooling covert. Covert mean covering. Cooling mean thanda. Okay. The clear rails, that is a thing of beauty. And those who make for themselves, just to protect themselves from the heat of the sun, what they are making a cooling covert. How? By the growing of the bushes and shrubs, and in this way, and they make the roof over them just to protect from the heat of the sun. Cooling covert. Covert mean covering. Cooling mean the cold covering, just to protect themselves from the heat of the sun. अब यहाँ पे cooling covert, reels can make the cooling covert themselves. That is nature by God. रील्स तो नहीं ना 1 मिनट खड़ी होके अपने सारी कूलिंग कवर्ट बनाती है. तो कौन सा पोएटिक डिवाइस आ जाता है यहाँ पे? पर्सोनिफिकेशन. ओके. पर्सोनिफिकेशन क्या होता है? When we compare the non-living thing with the living one. The reels, they are making the cooling covert for themselves. Them is a pronoun. We use them for the living beings. So here the reels, they are compared with the living ones. The poetic devices, personification is there. Write one question. List the things of beauty. List the things of beauty mentioned in this stanza. List the things of beauty mentioned in this stanza. See your book, लिखते जाओ. The sun, the moon, old and young trees, put commas in between. The sun, the moon, old and young trees, daffodils, clear rills, daffodils, clear rills, write in bracket, small streams. Clear rills, small streams. Musk roses, and okay, only up to this point, musk roses are there. Yes. 10. Musk roses. One more thing is here. Okay, you mention, I'll tell you afterwards. Musk roses, because I have given you this stanza that is not in here. And lovely tales of musk roses and lovely tales. Tales. What is this tale? Stories. Tail. Okay, tale. Lovely tales of the Granger. Granddeur. Granddeur. Granger. ज की आवाज आएगी, ड नी, DEUR. Grandeur, magnificence, beautiful. Grandeur, magnificence, beautiful. Tales of the grandeur of our mighty dead. Grandeurs of our mighty dead. Mighty, MIGHTY, mighty dead. They are a constant, they, all the things which we have mentioned. They are a constant source of joy and pleasure. They are a constant source of joy and pleasure. Last paragraph, lines 20 to 24. Just wait. Flowers, roses, flowers, daffodils kind of flower, musk roses, wild roses kind of flowers. Okay, they are the flowers. Lines 20 to 24, last paragraph of the poem. Write down, and such too. See your book. And such too. Put the dash. Last one is heaven's brink. Heaven's brink. Now, what is mentioned in lines 20 to 24? The line 20, 21, they are related with the 19, this paragraph, because here we are telling about a thing of beauty. So what we have written in our answer, the last point, the tales of our mighty dead. Who are mighty dead? Mighty dead, the people, those who have done good deeds during their lifetime. They may be the freedom fighter, they may be the poets, they may be the scientist, any musician, any sports person, any person who has done, any social reformer is there, who has done very good deeds during their lifetime. We haven't seen them, we haven't heard them. Now we can take the example of Sardar Bhagat Singh. ओके, शहीद पिक्चर आई, एक की आई हमने देखी, दूसरी आई हमने देखी, अजय देवगन की आई हमने देखी, स्टार्टिंग में मनोज कुमार की थी हमने देखी. सेम थिंग इज देयर, बट वी वांट टू सी भगत सिंह इन डिफरेंट बाय द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द डिफरेंट प्रोड्यूसर्स, बिकॉज दे गिव अस so much happiness. We feel good to see him. In the same manner, so many other things are there, as I given you the example at the starting also. Any favorite singer is there, any favorite scientist is there, your favorite novelist is there. We haven't seen him, we haven't heard him, we were not at that time, but the movies, the literature which we have heard about them, we have seen about them, and that become a thing of beauty for us. That is a mighty dead. Tales, stories, any song, any novel, any story related with the mighty dead, it also become a thing of beauty. Now it is clear. The poet, he says, instead of the sun, the moon, the rills, the daffodils, musk roses, along with this, the mighty dead, the deeds of the mighty dead, the tales of the mighty dead, that is also a thing of beauty. What becomes a thing of beauty? Will give us happiness, satisfaction, peace of mind, we get relief, and again we start ourselves with another work. भूल जाते हम पिछला कल क्या हुआ था, मार्क्स कम आए, ये था, बड़ा अपसेट था, कुछ था, कोई नहीं, मूड चेंज हुआ, सारी रात बैठ के पूरा डेक अपना चला के अपने फेवरेट गाने सुने, सुबह फिर फ्रेश, फिर वही क्लास में बैठे, फिर सुन रहे हैं, फिर अगले टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. So what are these things? These are the thing of beauty. This is mentioned in 22, 24, 23, 24 line. What the poet he wants to say at the end, what message he wants to convey, what he says, in this way, so many things we have heard from here, here, and here. Okay, that means we know about the thing of beauty. Now, what the poet he says, in this way, a thing of beauty, that is just a fountain of nectar. Nectar means amrit, which is pouring onto our life from the heaven's brink. Brink means edge. हम भगवान को देखते हैं, स्वर्ग को देखते हैं, तो हम ऐसे देखते हैं, हे भगवान पेपर ठीक करवा देता, ऊपर है जैसे भगवान, ठीक है। और हेवंस ब्रिंग कोई भी है, बारिश कर दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो, वी सी देयर, that is heaven's brink. If we want to imagine the heaven, we see upward, that is a heaven. From the edge of the heaven, from the brink of the heaven, these beautiful things, they are just like a nectar, amrit hai, holy water, which is pouring onto our life, and we are getting relief from our sufferings and from our troubles. See the lines from your book, last paragraph. And such too, such as the sun, the moon, the this, to mean ye bhi, okay? And such too is the grandeur of the dooms. Doom mean fate, death. Grandeur, the beauty. And such is the beauty and the grandeur of the doom with the death of we have imagined for the mighty dead. The fate and the death, the doom of all those people of the mighty dead, those who have done good deeds during their lifetime. All lovely tales that we have heard or read, all the lovely tales regarding related with them, which we have heard, we have listened about, that is also a thing of beauty. Now this paragraph is ending here in line number 22. Okay, 22 पे आके end हुआ है. What are the beautiful things which we have mentioned in our answer? An endless fountain of immortal drink. Immortal drink, immortal nectar, holy water. So in this way, these beautiful things, the nature, that is an endless fountain. फाउंटेन है, कभी बंद हुआ, खत्म हुआ, कुछ मशीनरी जैसे हम by man it is now made, but this is a endless fountain of nectar, of holy water, which is pouring unto us from the heaven's brink, which is pouring onto our life from the brink of heaven, from the edge of heaven. So this is a line 22, 24. Read out, ask to me if any point is not clear. Shabash. 20 and 21st and 20th line. And such too is the grandeur of the domes. With the last line, rich with the sprinkling of fair musk rose blooms, and such too is the beauty, the magnificence related with the death of the mighty dead, which we have heard and we have listened. हमें बताया, शीत पिक्चर देखी, पता चला 21 साल की उम्र थी, कैसे फांसी में लटक गए और कितने खुश थे एक रात पहले, उसको चूम रहे थे फांसी के फंदे को, कैसे उन्होंने किया. What is this? But we have heard and listened about them. That is also a thing of beauty. Okay, that is also a thing of beauty. We have imagined for the mighty dead. Mighty dead पे मैं भी कुछ lines लिखवाती हूँ. All lovely tales we have heard or read. Lovely tales we have read, we have heard about these people. Such mean, आप बता रहे हो. अब अगर मैं आपको पूछूं, which are your subjects? Very easily, which are your subjects? I'm having so many subjects in my +2. Suppose 8-10 सालों बाद किसी को बता रहे हो, किसी को भी अपने आप इमेजिन कर लो, बेटे को ही बता रहे हो, ठीक है. कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट थे मेरे पास? So many subjects we have read. अब तो आपके पास 2 ही सब्जेक्ट है, पता नहीं आने वाले टाइम में क्या टाइम होगा. आपने तो 2 ही सब्जेक्ट में सारा कुछ कर लेते हो. तो हमारे पास कौन कौन से थे? Such as math, such as physics, chemistry, bio, and such too physical education. Okay, sun, moon, daffodils, clear rails, musk roses, and such too grandeur of the mighty dead. Clear? ना इंस्पायर्ड छोड़ो, इन्होंने बेटे पैराग्राफ नया ले लिया. इफ दे वांट टू टेक 13 to 22, फिर सच टू नहीं आना था. If the poet is taking the paragraph from 13 to 22, then all the beautiful things he will mention in that paragraph. But he wants to start a new paragraph from 20 to 24, 20, 21 line, 22 line, that is related with 19 points. Right. हाँ, such two. Two mean भी. और ये भी. What is Granger? Clear? Write one question about mighty dead. Any 2 marks, 3 marks question if it comes, we should know what about the mighty dead. They are people, heading लिख लो, who are mighty dead. Sometime long question comes, 5 marks. They are people who lived in the past. They are people who lived in the past. Monuments are erected in their memory. Monuments are erected in their memory. THEIR, in their memory. They were physically might mean powerful. They were physically mighty, like the mighty warriors. Physically might, like the mighty warriors. They were physically mighty, like the mighty warriors, or mentally mighty, or mentally mighty, like great poets, writers, scientists, philosophers, etc. Or mentally mighty like great poets, writers, scientists, philosophers, etc. They are the source of inspiration for the human beings. They are the source of inspiration for the human beings. They are the source of inspiration for the human beings through their beauty of works. Through their beauty of works. Now it's clear what are the mighty dead? If this question comes as a 5 marks, poet he hasn't written. Explain mighty dead. Elaborate mighty dead. Now we should know where we have read about the mighty dead. We will mention in the introductory paragraph, first 2 or 3 lines, we will tell about the mighty dead. Where we have read? In the poem, A Thing of Beauty. Poem 4, A Thing of Beauty, write in commas, written by, either it is asked by the examiner or not. If we know, we must tell him, we know the name of the poet also. Written by John Keats. He has mentioned about the beautiful things, which are, we will tell about these things. And such too is the Granger of the mighty dead. Then you start the paragraph and write about the mighty dead. Then you tell the end, how you will end the 5 marks answer. You write down to conclude, to sum up. We can say that all the tales and the literature related with the mighty dead, it gives us relief. We get peace of mind. We get happiness. And its beauty, it's increasing, its beauty is increasing day by day. We don't feel bored. जो भी हमने बोला इसके बारे में सुना स्टार्टिंग में जो मैंने यहाँ पे बताया था, we can correlate with the conclusion of this answer. It will become a very good answer of 5 marks. सिर्फ एक mighty dead के ऊपर ही. Okay? So in this way we will make the answer. Any doubt regarding the poem? For 2 minutes I'll be. I told you about the report writing, but I want to take very important question. No doubt report is very important, but report it is having 2 parts. One is the newspaper report, another one is the school magazine report. So I want to finish one topic, that is your question number format we have done. Question number 8. Okay, we will prepare our one question of writing section. Question number 8. What is question number 6? Notice or advertisement. We have to do only one. Question number 7. invitation, which we have started. We know the ABC of that. We can do. Okay. And then question number 8. No, that is letter. Job letter or editor letter. Editor letter, we know what's the format and we are doing from our junior classes. No doubt we will do here in the class also. But job letter, it is very much new for you. Job letter. So then the question number 8 is finished. In writing part, question number 8 is done. One day we will do, when we will get the 5 or 10 minutes, we will revise the format and how to write the editor letter. But the job letter, it is quite different. That we will do just now today. Okay? Because the question number 9, that is article or report. Now start writing the question number 8. Write the heading job letter. This is first we will write answer 8, answer sheet पे job letter. Okay, I'll tell you how to do the paper. For the writing section, we will start the new sheet with every question. Suppose this is our sheet. We will start our paper with the writing section, because here we can get full marks. If it is very much decorative, very beautifully we have written, handwriting is at the start is good, we are highlighting, we are underlining, and we will get full marks. Previously it was of 10 marks. Even then we are giving in the board checking 8, 9.5. Sometimes some teachers, they are giving 10 out of 10 also. But now it is only of the 5 marks. Okay, so there are 101% chances to get 5 out of 5. But how it is written, that should be the thing. So suppose this is a new sheet, and first we will mention on that side that this is a job letter. Suppose 2 questions are there. One letter is editor, another one is job. Which one you are doing? You tell to the examiner. But I am doing. I'm just, instead of she is searching, he is searching from the question paper, which letter the person is doing, and it is mentioned on the top. Systematically, very work it should be done. Write the question, then I'll tell you the format. You are Ravi Sharma. You are Ravi Sharma. Yes, लेटर बॉक्स में लिखना, डेली नहीं हमने पूछना. राइटिंग सेक्शन इट शुड बी इन द बॉक्स. राइटिंग सेक्शन प्लस लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस. Okay, 12 and 13, they should be in the box. You are Ravi Sharma of 27B, 27-B. 27B, Model Town, Gwalior. 27B, Model Town, Gwalior. Write an application. Write an application for the post of a. Write an application for the post of a postgraduate teacher. For the post of a postgraduate teacher in the subject of English, E capital. Postgraduate teacher in the subject of English in DCM, D.C.M. in DCM Senior SR. Secondary SEC. in DCM Senior Secondary School, Gwalior. In DCM Senior Secondary School, Gwalior. I'm repeating. You are Ravi Sharma of 27B Model Town, Gwalior. Write an application for the post of a postgraduate teacher in the subject of English in DCM Senior Secondary School, Gwalior. So, who is the sender? No name? Ravi Sharma. To whom he is writing? DCM The principal. Very nice. When there is a school, we are writing a letter to the principal. If any company is there for any another post, the manager. Any institution is there in Genesis, suppose I am applying for the job, to whom I will write? The director. Okay, in this way we will see what is given in the question. According to the thing, we will write about the person. So write on the top, as I told you earlier also. What is the address is given? 27B Model Town, Gwalior. दिसंबर कर लें, चलो ठीक है. Today is हाँ जी, नहीं, I'll explain afterwards. पहले अभी कॉपी कर लो. We can write subject before salutation. We can write, no rule is there. Sir subject, subject sir, both are right. Make any one habit so that one should not be skipped. So this is the format. This is of 1 mark. So we will not give any chance to the examiner to cut any mark. No comma is there, no full stop is there, no punctuation mark is used till this. I've used this dot because December, that is an abbreviation. If we are writing full December, no need of this dot. Here the dot is there because again we are writing the subject in short form. If we are writing full subject, no need of the dot. Otherwise, in whole, there is no dot and no comma, nothing else is there. Okay? And the main thing is that it should touch the line. It should not be like this. 27B ग्वालियर जैसे हमारा हाथ चलता होता है, the principal, it should not come like this. It should be in the straight line. Whatever the line you are making, it should touch the same. Very straight. The systematically. Only then it will look very beautiful and in a very systematically order. And we will get the marks. Even then, little bit this thing is there because of this wire and so many devices. But we will sit quietly in this examination hall and we will do likewise. And you people will write and send it to me for the checking also. Okay, we will do the practice. Up to this point, any doubt? Now see the subject. Subject that should be in 1 sentence. Okay, 1 line ही होना चाहिए, 2 line नहीं आपने use करनी है. And the articles, the prepositions, whatever the different additional words are there, they are in small letter, but the main words, they are in capital letters. Connectors, articles, determiners, prepositions, they are all in the small letters. But the main words, they are in capital letters. It's clear? Now start writing the first paragraph. From the very beginning. With reference to your, you can leave, as I told you last time also, it depends upon your handwriting. No rule is there. छोड़ देते हैं, आपकी writing neat and clean है, छोटी है तो आप continuity में लिखें, ठीक है? नहीं है तो आप छोड़ सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But the things that which you are showing, that should be clear. It depends. With reference to your advertisement, with reference to your advertisement, in the write in commas, Hindustan Times, ये हम बाद में हाईलाइट कर देंगे. Hindustan Times, dated 21st December, dated 15th कर लो, dated 15th December 20XX, 15th December 20XX, for the post offer, take the full line, PG, postgraduate teacher, T small. PG teacher, we can highlight PG afterwards. पहले content की तरफ ध्यान देंगे पूरा. Postgraduate teacher in the subject of English E capital. In your prestigious school. In your prestigious school. I offer my services for the same. I offer my services for the same. I am a young, energetic fellow. I am a young, energetic fellow, devoted, 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 and dedicated. I am a young, energetic fellow, devoted and dedicated to the cause of my profession. Dedicated to the cause of my profession. To the cause of my profession. If I am given a chance, if I am given a chance to serve this school, if I am given a chance to serve this school, comma, I will channelize CHANNELIZE. I will channelize all my efforts. If I'm given a chance to serve this school, I will channelize all my efforts to come, channelize all my efforts to come up to your expectations. To come up to your expectations and to the satisfaction of the students. And to the satisfaction of the students. Continue the paragraph. My biodata is enclosed, ENCLOSED. My biodata is enclosed herewith. My biodata is enclosed herewith for your kind, favorable consideration. For your kind, favorable consideration. Next line, new line, thanking you. Thanking you, Y capital, yours sincerely. Who was the person? Ravi Sharma. After that, pick the whole line like this. पूरा जो भी आपका पेज है ऐसे लाइन लगा दो. ओके और यहाँ पे लिखोगे अब ENCL, enclosed biodata. लाइन लगाकर पूरी हॉरिजॉन्टल, मेक द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, राइट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, enclosed, E बिल्कुल लाइन के नीचे, ENCL dot biodata. Enclosed biodata. Up to this point, you just read the paragraph. This is a common paragraph. We have to cram with understanding the whole paragraph. कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए, any question, we know that one job letter will come, one editor letter will come. Out of that, there will be choice. Okay, but we will prefer this letter. Mathematical marks are there. But in the editor letter, maybe some point in the marking scheme, some points are given, we may not have mentioned, couldn't come in our mind. And some examiner, they see that this point is not there, this point is not there, half mark deduction, 1 mark deduction is there. But here we can't add or subtract anything from this. This is a common paragraph which you have written. First this format is there, then this paragraph is there. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं आपने फालतू लिखना, कुछ नहीं आपने पढ़ना. आप 2-3 बार इसकी रीडिंग करेंगे, आप समझ जाएंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन वी विल डू. ठीक है. पेपर का नाम कहीं पर आया होता है, सम we will write that newspaper name in the this. Suppose one another firm is there. नहीं ये यहीं पे लिखना है. आपकी बात भी मानूंगी, अभी यहाँ आप मेरी बात मानो. Suppose some firm is there. With reference, आप अपना पैराग्राफ देखो, मैं बोल रही हूँ. With reference to your advertisement in the Tribune, dated this and this, for the post of an accountant. Okay, instead of, suppose another question is there, how to do. आप ये पैराग्राफ देखते जाओ. For the post of an accountant in your prestigious company, I offer my services for the same. I am a young, energetic fellow, devoted and dedicated to the cause of my profession. If I am given a chance to serve this prestigious company or firm, I'll channelize all my efforts to come up to your expectation and to the satisfaction of the authorities. बाकी सेम ही है, सिर्फ लिटिल बिट चेंज हमने किया है अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. तो इस पैराग्राफ को आपने इसमें 5 में से 5 मार्क्स लेने हैं. इस पैराग्राफ को आप अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ क्रैम करो और इसी में ही आपने हाईलाइट करना है, उसके बाद कुछ भी नहीं है. ओके, अप टू दिस पॉइंट इट इज क्लियर. शुड आई रैप द ब्लैक बोर्ड नाउ? यस, हर्षित ने हमारी बात मानी है, अब हम हर्षित की बात मानते हैं. सेंटर में हम लिख देते हैं बायो डाटा. ऐसे कह रहे थे आप, कोई नाराजगी नहीं ना? बायोडाटा इज रिटन. फर्स्ट वी विल मेंशन ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एनक्लोज्ड बायोडाटा. अब ये आपका बायोडाटा वाला पेज है जो आपने साथ में स्टेपल किया हुआ है, राइट? नाउ राइट डाउन नेम, वो भी ऐसे सिस्टमैटिकली, भी कुछ सीधा. नेम, एन के नीचे एफ, फादर्स नेम, date of birth, marital status, no talking, be concentrate, permanent address, educational qualification, this should be very straight line. After that, the lengthier part is educational qualification. Okay, so we will write the colon here. Now it should be straight. It should be straight line. The starting point should be straight line. Where it is ending, we put the comma, colon, then it will be like this. Colon कर लो या छोटा सा hyphen लगाओ, that is your choice. Clear? Education. Now, what is the name? Father's name, any father name लिख दो, पर cost that should be Sharma. A.K. Sharma. Date of birth, ट्वेंटी 1990 लिख देते हैं. मैरिटल स्टेटस, मैरिड कर ही दो. अनमैरिड, मैरिड, दैट इज योर चॉइस, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. परमानेंट एड्रेस, परमानेंट एड्रेस 27B मॉडल टाउन ग्वालियर. मॉडल टाउन ग्वालियर. Now the main important point is educational qualification. Here first we will write point 1. Write down BA from DU. 1 लिख देती हूँ मैं. BA from DU got 70% marks. अगर आपका 2 लाइन में आता है तो कोई बात नहीं, फिर आप उसके नीचे सेकंड पॉइंट स्टार्ट करेंगे. It's visible or I should write here? Okay. Second, MA, again DU got 67% marks. ये आपको अभी लग रहे हैं कितने कम, और ये उस समय ये बहुत होते थे. फर्स्ट डिवीजन आ जाती थी. वी फील सो हैप्पी कि हमारे 60% मार्क्स आ गए हैं. अब टाइम है 98-97% मार्क्स का. MA 67% मार्क्स. थर्ड, B.Ed एजुकेशनल. B.Ed सेम ही ले लो, 71% marks. So this is our personal qualification. जिस लाइन तक है अभी. You continue the same page. After that, experience. Experience column that will be same. उसी तरह से आप लिखते जाओगे, but we will leave these 3 lines after educational qualification. Then you start experience. 2 years in DPS Delhi. Experience 2 years in DPS Delhi. Hobbies. Hobbies. Reading, writing, and music. Reading, writing, and music. You have to leave line for the educational qualification. No, 3 lines are there. After that, this point will come. Reading, writing, and music. Next, languages known. Next point, languages known. English, Hindi, French. Languages known, English, Hindi, French. References, point 1. Shri V.K. Kapoor, comma, principal, मॉडल स्कूल क्रोल बाग. दिल्ली का है तो ग्वालियर का है, आप कोई भी दिखा सकते हो. हाँ, मैं बताऊंगी, पहले लिख लो, बस लिखने का काम खत्म. लास्ट पॉइंट है श्री V.K. कपूर, कॉमा, प्रिंसिपल, मॉडल स्कूल क्रोल बाग, दिल्ली. In the same manner, like the educational qualification, 2 references should be there. Second, Shri P.L. Bahal, B.E.H.L. Shri P.L. Bahal, comma, principal, DPS Vikaspuri, Delhi. DPS Vikaspuri, Delhi. बस इसके बाद आप चाहे क्लोज कर दो, आपकी लेटर खत्म. मेन तो हमारी लेटर खत्म हो गई थी उस पैराग्राफ के बाद. थैंकिंग यू, योर सिंसियरली रवि शर्मा. यू हैव मेड द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन एंड क्लोज बायोडाटा. आफ्टर दैट दिस इज बायोडाटा वेयर द मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. कोई चांस ही नहीं है, सिर्फ हमने एक पैराग्राफ ही याद करना है. और एडिटर वाले में यू हैव टू राइट 2 or 3 पैराग्राफ्स. कॉजेज लिखे हैं और बता रहे हो, सजेशन बता रहे हो, ओके. बट हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू द प्रैक्टिस, द फॉर्मेट इज देयर. It should not be in a zigzag manner. And in qualification also 3 points are there. It will be different only from question to question. Accountant hai to BCom, BBA like this, that type of the. And CA, some another person is there. It depends. When we will do the different question, we will come to know about this. Okay. And the references. Last point of our letter, that should be references. References mean you are giving the reference of any two person. You can ask about me from them. आप मेरे बारे में पूछ सकते हैं. Every company, they do the queries regarding the person, those who is applying for the job. Okay. If we are in the bank, you will tell about the managers. CEO, किसी कंपनी के CA का या बैंक मैनेजर को भी किसी फाइनेंस कंपनी में आप काम कर रहे हो, present experience you are showing. But it should be like this. After references, we will not write any point. That should be the last one. नहीं तो नेगेटिव मार्किंग हो जाती है. Suppose we have run the references. याद आया, ओहो हॉबीज तो रहेगी. After that you write the hobbies. Marks will be deducted. Okay? इनमें से कोई skip कर गया, ये तो skip होना ही नहीं चाहिए. That is the main thing is there. Experience, it can't be skipped. Okay? If hobby, language is known, anything is skipped, don't write after references. उस समय तो माइंड में नहीं आएगा एग्जामिनर के, ठीक है बहुत अच्छा लिखा हुआ है, एवरीथिंग इज देयर, पूरा डाटा आ गया है, तो उसका हॉबीज की तरफ और किसी और चीज की तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं जाना. लेकिन अगर आपने रेफरेंसेस के बाद लिख दिया, वो सारा ध्यान चले जाना है. 5 में से सीधे 4 मार्क्स. ऐसे बड़ा सा क्वेश्चन मार्क कर देते हैं हम. टीचर्स को थोड़ी आदत होती है काटने होते हैं जहाँ पे मार्क्स, वहाँ पे हम ज्यादा हाईलाइट कर देते हैं. तो डोंट गिव एनी चांस टू द एग्जामिनर टू डिडक्ट योर मार्क्स. With the practice only, you will be very much perfect in the job letter. For practice, I am giving you one job letter in between. ठीक है, लिखने को दूंगी and you will do yourself. मैंने पहले भी एक बार अनाउंस किया था. You take one good book. Super 20 भी आया हुआ है मार्केट में, और भी कोई बुक आती है, कोई भी सैम्पल पेपर है, you must take that. And the new pattern questions are there, MCQ questions are there. Any doubt? Letter is clear? हाँ जी बोलो हर्षित. Any, कोई भी, so many things are there, net is there. Okay, you can take any book, right? 2 references. Qualification, naturally in some books there is written 10th from this, 12th from this, BA from this, 4, 5. No, previously it was of 6 marks, abhi 5 marks का कोई बात नहीं. Only we do the after schooling. मेन क्वालिफिकेशन है तो पता ही है, बीए कर रहे हो कुछ तो 10वीं 12वीं करके तो आए नहीं कि भाई 8th के बाद आप सीधा बीए में आ गए. दैट इज नॉट ओके. बट द पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन एंड एनी एडिशनल इज देयर. इफ द टीचर इज देयर, PhD, MPhil, B.Ed, we can mention. When we do the question, we will come to know about the different posts and their degrees also. Okay, it's clear. Thank you so much. Welcome, beta.